vlogging camera. Whoa, I can't even talk, but I just got my vlogging camera and I thought I'd unbox it with you guys because I'm so excited. I've been eyeing this camera for a while and I'm so glad to finally have it. If I could open it, that would be great because I'm already late. How do you open this thing, honestly? Okay. Okay, done. Oh, great. Wow. So yeah, this is so cool. It's this is a warranty and the manual. I probably will need that because I don't know how to use this camera, obviously. And it's so tiny, which is exactly why I got it. Perfect for vlogging. Oh my god, she is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, she is gorgeous. Oh my god, and it's quite heavy. It's heavier than I thought, but yeah, that's my new baby, everyone. And it just has the camera, and this is a what is this? This is a charger, a cable. No, this is like a wrist strap, which I doubt I'll need. Wow, there's a child literally screaming outside, but I'm sorry about that. And the battery. So I'm gonna charge it. And I was kind of hoping it came with a case, but it doesn't, so I don't know. I might have to buy a case for it, but yeah, I'm excited. Let's get started. I'm gonna be vlogging with this. No more phone vlogging, so yeah.
Much later.
Okay, the lighting isn't that great, is it? No. I'm gonna go to Mr. Price and check out if I can get a denim jacket, a suede jacket, something like a staple piece that I can add to my closet, because I realize I don't really have that and I really want to play with denim, so I hope I find a good denim jacket. And also I need to go to the post office and pick up some packages because I got some packages. I just got a message and they told me to go pick up some packages and I'm excited because I ordered stuff. This is not like I know what I'm getting, kinda. I don't know, we'll see together. Anyway, let's head out. I'm already super late.
1 hour later!
Sorry for the angle, my lighting is terrible. I just came back from the post office and my goodness, the weather has gone from 0 to 160. Like, it was sunny when I was leaving the house and now it's like so cold. It looks like it's about to rain. And I'm just like, Nairobi, get your shit together. Honestly, it's annoying because what is this? What is this weather? I don't like it. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys what I picked up from the post office. I did have quite a few packages, so I'm just gonna unbox them with you guys because I really hope this lighting isn't the worst. Okay, let's cut this up. Oh, these are my pearls. So I ordered some pearls off. Can you focus? Thank you. So I ordered some pearls off AliExpress and they just got here. Next are these eyelashes. I got this ones off eBay and they're many. They're like 10 pairs. Let me show you guys. Look at that. It's like literally, I think 10 pairs if I'm not wrong. I got them for literally $1. So I can't wait to see how those work out. And next is supposed to be patches. I did order some patches on AliExpress as well. Ooh, they're so pretty. So I got some patches off AliExpress. I'm excited. They actually look so good. I kind of have an idea what this is. I ordered some Hydro Boost off lookfantastic.com and 6 months ago, I swear to you, I went to the US, I stocked up. I thought it was cheaper getting it, but I also had to pay like 1100 shillings tax for this. So I'm just like, that makes no sense. I'd rather buy it here. I just thought I was saving some coin. I guess I was wrong. So let's just confirm that that's it. So I was right. It is my Hydro Boost gel. You guys know I love this stuff. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a fan of this thing. I love it. I love it to death. I highly recommend it to anyone. But I'm not impressed with this, mostly because I thought ordering it online, I'd get it for cheaper. In Kenya, they sell this for about 1600 shillings, 1700. And I got it from Look Fantastic for like, I think £7, which would have been quite a save. But I ended up paying tax of 1100 shillings. it doesn't make sense, right? So it's just like, it's not worth it, because that means I've spent 2,000 shillings on this thing, or maybe about £7 plus 11. 700, could be about 1,800. So it's literally the same thing. I'd rather get it here. So that sucks. I thought I'd found a cheaper alternative, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Anyway, now we're gonna go to, oh, I just hit myself. Now we're gonna go to Mr. Price and check out that denim jacket, and I can officially end my day. I'm honestly tired. I think it's still from the jet lag. For some reason, my body is still adjusting to the time zones. Like today, I literally slept from like 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. and I woke up, and for some reason I just couldn't go back to sleep until 8 o'clock, and I had to wake up, and I'm just feeling so exhausted because my body is still adjusting to all the changes, and it's so frustrating because I still need to get stuff done, and I can't be tired and groggy, and it just makes me feel so moody. I don't like it. Anyway, let's go guys to Mr. Price. Yeah. Why is there so much traffic, honestly? Where are people going?
So, I'm going to cover 5 things that are going to absolutely accelerate your ability to get more done this year, and you're going to love these. I'm going to help you prioritize. I'm going to help you quit some things, start some new things. I'm going to help you get yourself in order for the rest of the year. This session, bust out your journal. I'm going to ask you some tough questions.
So guys, I just paused my podcast. I just wanted to tell you guys, if you don't listen to podcasts, honestly, you are missing out. Podcasts have changed my life, and I know you're like, oh my god, that's so cliche. They're the best thing ever, and I found myself in better moods because of listening to podcasts. Like when I'm angry, when I'm sad, when I'm depressed, I just search for a podcast, and whichever pops up, I listen to it, and I automatically feel better. I'm about to go through security. Give me a second. Anyway, yeah, I was saying, I just search for like a podcast. I do have specific people I listen to. Sorry, I'm looking away, I'm driving. I have specific people I listen to, like Robin Sharma, Brendan Brashad. I don't know if I just butchered his name. I also listen to, I don't know what his name is, but he has a podcast called The Daily Boost, and it's literally like 7 minutes to just change your day, and it's so helpful. I know, I used to be that girl who thinks, it's just a podcast, how much can it change my life? Honestly, it just puts you in a better mood. You feel better about yourself, you feel confident, you're able to handle situations better. It's just overall so good. I can't even reach the thing. That's how short I am. Oh, that's dark. We're at Garden City, guys. We are at Garden City. So yeah, that's quite dark. What am I gonna do about that? I don't know, guys. Okay, that's okay. So yeah, it just changes your life, and when you look for stuff that helps you through moments that you think you can't get through, there's so much. I haven't tied my seatbelt because I'm just parking the car, but literally there's so much depression in the world right now. Like having that positivity just changes. I can't even talk, but it just changes your life. These people are literally walking where you park your car. Like, what the heck? You're not allowed to do that. This is a medium. It's quite cute. It's quite nice. Has that oversized kind of look. I like it. I think I'm gonna get it. It's literally the only one left in a medium. It's quite pricey. It's like $3,200. Is it worth it? I don't know. Do you think it's worth it, guys? Or am I gonna get it? I don't know. I think it's cute. I really hope you guys kind of enjoyed this because it's different for me to vlog my day. It's usually like travel vlogs or makeup tutorials. So I really hope that some of you appreciate me showing you this side of me, and there's lots more vlogs coming. I really did enjoy sharing my day with you guys, and yeah, stay tuned for more. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and if you're subscribed, I will see you in my next upload. Until then, bye.